Here in North Texas, we've had more than our share of weather-related and storm events that have led to water damage projects in homes and businesses. So if you think about it, the media does usually a great job of letting us know that that event is coming. But in any event, weather gets our phones to ring. And a lot of our folks are experiencing one of the worst property damage situations that they could ever imagine in their home.
In North Texas, we do have crazy weather. Chances of you experiencing water damage or something happening in your home is great. We're available 24/7. We will assess the damage. We will tell you how to possibly get the water turned off in your home. We will send a licensed and certified tech out to walk you through the process, assess the damage, and we'll get started working for you immediately to get you back to your life as quickly as possible.
If you hear that the cold weather is approaching and it's going to get cold and stay cold, then there are some things you can be doing around your property, your home or business to have some preventive protection against what could be happening.
Make sure on the outside of your house you have faucet covers put on. You need to make sure every faucet around your house outside has got the cover put on it.
If you don't get those, at least detach the hoses that might be on your exterior faucets. At least get the hoses detached and move the hoses inside. Otherwise, if there's water still in them, that water is going to expand when it freezes, burst the hose, and potentially cause damage to the faucet as well. And then I think everyone has heard that dripping water can be beneficial, and sometimes a drip is not enough. Sometimes you really need to run water. And trust me, the cost of water is cheap compared to the cost of water damage. Also, you need to be aware of whether you have hot and cold water coming out of that faucet or not. So you may need to be running both the hot and the cold water through their lines. And then lastly, and this might be the hardest thing to do, would be going up into your attic. And any pipes that you see that are exposed, that have water running through them, if they have not been insulated, this would be last call to do that, and you'll be rewarded for your effort if it avoids a burst pipe.
Leave your cabinet doors open so the heat that is circulating in the home can circulate underneath the cabinets as well.
If you have a question or you have a concern about what you could be doing or should be doing to be better prepared, don't hesitate to call us or call a restoration professional or even a plumber to get their perspective and get their ideas on what you could be doing to prepare for the arrival of winter weather.
If you are in this situation where your house is flooding, you have toilets overflowing, first of all, will you try to see if you can turn the water off? Second, you give PuroClean Restoration Specialists a phone call. Do not call your insurance agent first, because we need to see if the damage is actually claim worthy. We would speak with you first, assess the damage, and then at that point we will let you know if a claim needs to be filed with your insurance company.